me as I take a step closer to my dream. I need you to stay.
Hi, hey guys, it's Angela here, or Angel, whatever works best for you. It is currently Wednesday. I don't know the date because I'm kind of confused. But I literally travel tomorrow, and guess what? I have this much packed. I'm going back to school after a year. I've been online for a year, so this is the first time I'm going back to like in-person classes, which I'm kind of nervous about, but I'm kind of excited because I'm excited to be back in my apartment and back to working. I haven't worked for like a year and just been focused on school, which was totally a different transition for me, but I kind of liked it. But now we're going back to school and I'm kind of excited. Sorry I took a bit of a break. I needed it, and I've learned to focus more on the content than the things I'm posted. So if I'm actually drained, there's no reason for me to be posting, you know? So I took that break for myself. I finished summer school, and I just thought I really needed a break because this summer class I took literally was the hardest class I've taken since I've started my college life. Literally, it was so hard. Like, it was stressful, but we got it done. I passed greatly, and now I can advance. I was also under like a lot of pressure in this class, but okay. Anyway, we are going also, my freaking rings. Y'all know I bought these rings as my little present for myself that I finished the last semester, and I broke this the other day. I literally yanked it on something and it broke. I don't know if you can tell. It's like not round. And then you guys know the other one, which was like this one's moonstone, the other one's rose quartz. I lost that, and then this one is the only one I have left, amethyst. It's the last one standing. So I actually think I'm going to buy two more. I spent a good money on it, so I'm kind of upset, but it's okay. I think it's just new beginnings, and yeah. Anyway, I'm talking a lot. I need to pack. I've been putting it off. I've done laundry, and I don't want to pack too much. Like, I will be back in December, but I just I don't know. I don't want to overpack, but I am the biggest overpacker in the entire world. So let's just go with the flow with this, and yeah, I'll take you guys along with me. Yeah, okay. And here I am. I'm here. I made it. I look crazy. I couldn't film anything for you guys. I suck so bad. I had crazy sick. I was sick like crazy. I'm feeling better now, but I was so sick. I think I was just exhausted, and it was my body catching up with me. Like, when I say sick, like literally I was terrified. I had like COVID, but I literally had just got a negative COVID test, so it couldn't have been that. It had to be a flu. My boyfriend was like getting a flu, so I think I caught his flu, which is, but I literally was so tired on the plane. I had chills. My throat, even now till my throat is still like a little sore, but it started with my throat, and then yeah, I had chills on the plane. It was horrible. I was like hot and cold. I could feel myself getting a fever, and yeah, it's kind of like was it. And then I came home back to my apartment, and I just slept all night long. Oh my god, I'm like tearing. I don't know why. I slept all night long. Oh, and I had a crazy headache. I slept, and then I'd wake up, and then I felt a little better. I sleep, wake up a little better, sleep, wake up a little better. And it was just a headache that was bothering me. So I kept waiting to get the strength to get out of my bed to go find my Aleve in my luggage, because that's how like tired I was, exhausted. And I ended up finding it, and I took that. I took another nap, and then my headache went away, so it was great. So I'm here, I'm home. This wasn't how I wanted it to go, but it is what it is. It's Saturday, which is great that I came today, so like I get another extra day to sleep and be ready for school. I clean up my room because it's a disaster. I'm supposed to be going right now soon with my friend to go to the mall. I want to buy shoes. What else? Oh, my boyfriend, I met him at Toronto. We met at Toronto. He was gonna go back home and I was going to Toronto to come here, and we met at Toronto because see, I have a little bit of a cough going, gross. He had to do something in Toronto with family, so at least we got to see each other. It was really cute. We just saw each other for like I think an hour or 30 minutes, and then we parted ways. But yeah, it's all good. I'll be home in like 100 days, literally. I haven't counted. But I got Stanley. My boyfriend got me this. Literally my first time I came to I moved down here. He sent me Stanley. Well, I got to name him, but I named him Stanley. And it has like voice boxes of him, and it has his heartbeat. So like this always makes me feel close to him when I'm gone. Let me stop talking about him. Jeez, I'm so annoying. But yeah, that's what's going on. I feel so sick. I got coconut water when I was at the airport, and I wish I got more, and I got some fruit because I really do think it helped with hydrating me. Yeah, I haven't met my roommate yet. I have a new roommate. She's out there somewhere. Yeah. So I need to take a hot shower. I haven't had the energy to do it. A hot shower just to clear all my sinuses. But yeah, I'm here. My God, I was at the airport waiting for my friend to pick me up. Literally, I was at the verge of tears. Like, I was so exhausted and I felt so gross. And I was feeling nauseous, like all of it, all of the feels I was feeling. And I haven't been sick in forever, and I think it's the masks that's been helping us not be sick, because I've been dodging these sicknesses like yes, but it hit me. Of course it hit me today, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm feeling better. Oh, I needed that. Anyway, I'm gonna chill here. My flight, literally so sick. I had chills. I had basically first week school started, guys. Okay, I had chills. I had chills. I had a headache. I had fatigue. I felt nausea. I was sniffling. I recently started coughing now at the end of my flu. Basically all the symptoms of a flu, okay? So I took a couple days to rest, and now it's game time, bitches, okay? This week I have no work, so I'm trying to catch up on as much school as I can. Right now, as you guys saw, I was cleaning. The floor is clean. Now I'm just disinfecting my entire room, all my handles that I have in my bathroom to do, because my bathroom is a mess. I have so much to fill y'all in on, and I will as we go. But bear with me, as per usual. Hey y'all, I didn't get to you guys. Oh, I'm studying right now. Actually, I made a TikTok, of course. I'm trying to be active on there, but I made a TikTok and I'm studying right now because that's kind of my life, you know. Let me update y'all a little bit because I've been slacking. It's the end of the week officially. I finished my first week of school and I'm tired, okay? I'm exhausted. Excuse my messy bed. But I start next week, I start work, so it's gonna be kind of crazy, kind of hectic. And what else? My cousin's gonna be living with me for like 3 days until she can officially move into her apartment because her move-in day isn't yet until the beginning of September. I had a meeting with my advisor that went super well. Hopefully I can graduate by the end of this summer. I'm stressed, so I'm gonna leave and I'm going to get back to studying because I'm stressed and there's so much I need to do. But I'm not organized and I need to do that. Anyway, look at that big old pimple that I just tried like popping and playing with. Never do that. I've been not taking care of myself and it's the first week of school. There's the update. What's me? Ugh. You hear this? I have COVID. That's the first week of my school. The line, as you guys can see, the line is very, very faint. So clearly I think it's going away, but I have COVID, so I'm isolating. I have one more test that I'm going to try tomorrow, and I'll see from there if it's negative. And if it is negative, then I'm going to go to classes. If it's not negative, I'm going to have to email my teachers and email work. I just don't want to miss work, but I'm okay at missing classes because I can just do it online, you know? And I hate waking up early for classes. That's it right now. At least I look cute. Oh my God. But yeah. This is life. I informed my teachers and my work, and I have a test today at 1 p.m. I took another test, by the way, and it's negative. So I had 2 positives. The next day I took a test and it's negative. So now I'm gonna go get like a real test on campus at 1 p.m. So I gotta be out of here at like 1:50 or 12:50. It's about 12:17 right now, and I'm gonna get a test, and this is the make or break test. If this is negative, I can go into work right away. If this is positive, I'm out of work for 2 weeks. I'm out of school for 2 weeks. It's just stress. I have like an inkling that they're just going to, the teacher's just gonna have me out of school for the week, but we'll see. If not, I start school tomorrow as well. But yeah, this is the curveball and the moment of truth. If I'm going to work, y'all. Today was a whirlwind, but God got me for sure, I'm telling you. I'm stressed. I should be at work in like 5 minutes, but damn. I still can't go to class. They told me my rapid test is negative, but since I had that uncertainty this weekend, even though my rapid test is negative, they're gonna take me to get a PCR test, and they want me to get an inhaler because she can hear in my lungs it's congested and she wants to open up my airway, which I can feel anyway. I may have a cough left, but it's like like ew, I sound like a smoker. Anyway, I'm drinking my smoothie, my iron smoothie, and I'm going to work, and I'm so excited. I started work at 10. Today, and it's like it's 2 something. So 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. Missed 4 hours of some money, but it is what it is. I had to make sure the kids will be okay, right?
Hope you enjoyed your time. Still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.